I'm Christian and I play for the Wolfpack.
Hey, I'm Panos and I play for the Knickerbockers.
Okay. I'm Styles. I play for the Knickerbockers, I guess.
I know.
That means Bobby gets it.
Okay.
2-0.
Pass.
Watch out, get it. 3 ball. Oh no! Juked him! Got it!
Yes, sir. Two.
No, that was nice.
Knickerbockers over there.
Bockers ball.
I'm on Styles. I'm on Styles.
All right, shoot it.
Pass! No, don't shoot
Right
it!
here. Shoot it.
Don't shoot it!
Shoot it,
Yes,
Panos.
step up and shoot
Oh,
it.
no, shoot it.
Panos, step up and shoot. Do what I taught you. Panos, step up and shoot.
Let it go out.
Yeah, that was in. Shit, my bad.
Double team it, man. They're just playing zone. Coming back. No foul.
Oh, damn. Good? Nope, no good.
Come on, pass back.
Back.
Samos, do what I taught you.
Take it right. Okay.
Don't dribble. Pass back.
Come on, shoot it. Don't shoot it.
Drive.
Shoot it.
Stop shooting it.
Bang.
Stop.
Shoot
Do it.
Uncontested.
Panos, remember.
Oh, you're
Jump.
Team range.
Don't shoot it. Do it.
Team range.
Steph Curry.
Do it.
Curry.
Panos, come on.
Hurry up, bro.
Travel.
What?
Travel.
Yeah, keep moving both feet.
Oh shoot, my bad, guys.
I love
Pass back to Robbie.
No foul.
Robbie. Pass to Christian. Christian
Back.
Under the basket.
Behind you.
to Robbie.
Oh, no. Robbie.
See, they go
Back
after
to
the ball
Christian.
at the same time.
Christian has it. Christian. Fake pass.
Yeah, back.
Christian, fake pass again.
Back. Should I take it?
No,
Yeah,
just dribble
yeah.
it out. Just dribble it.
Oh shit, good pass. Out of bounds on
Adam Panos.
Panos, yeah. Under the hoop. Christian. Oh.
Out on them, Panos. Is it 2-2 or 4-2?
Oh, yeah.
2-2.
2-2.
Ooh,
Okay.
I got a text message.
No. No foul. No foul. Gotta get back to my spot.
Back. Right here. Back. I'm right open under the... Here, Christian, turn.
250.
Are you telling me this is not a foul? He slapped my arm like 4 times.
I haven't seen it.
Haven't seen it either.
You know what? It's fine. Yeah, I haven't seen it. No.
Shoot that. Stroke that. Shoot it. Come on. Look at that hair, man. Some sexy hair.
Hurry up.
Foul.
Back and see it.
Hey!
2.
Pass quick. Cut to the hoop and then pass.
They're going to cut.
That thing.
Whoa!
Shoot a 3 next time.
Oh, give that to Robbie.
145 left.
What a shot! Pass to Stamos. Stamos drives. Over the head of Panos. Pass in on Christian. Go up. Oh, shit.
Robbie's back. Robbie.
Oh, damn. Oh, Robbie, you should have shot that.
I think I shot you. No foul.
I got a Glock in my Rari. Didn't take it back. He didn't take it back. Take it back.
No fouls. You got 50 seconds.
Yes.
Shoot that. Don't shoot it.
Stroke it.
Now he has to pass her.
No. Shoot it.
He's gonna make. Oh.
Panos, shoot that. If you want to shoot it, shoot it. Shoot or shoot. Oh, shit.
Yes, you have to take it back.
Panos, shoot it. Shoot the ball. Shoot that.
Get that. Hurry back. Didn't hit rim.
Didn't hit rim. You don't have to take it back.
Take off.
You get the hell off this game, buddy. That's not. Yo, tell me that's not a foul. He's all over my head.
Stop.
Let me check. The clock's ticking. 1 second. Ah!
Yeah,
Clock is going.
the NCAA. Stamos. Yeah, company. Got him. Oh, up and down.
Up and down, up and down, up and down.
No, just leave it. He didn't leave the ground.
Leave it, leave it. Oh, he didn't leave the ground. All right, I thought he did.
We want to challenge it.
Y'all want to challenge? That would be an unsuccessful challenge.
Leave it.
Oh.
Christian.
Oh, God. Oh, shit.
Back.
Foul! Reach in, foul!
Oh, cool.
That is not a foul.
Yes, it is. He reached over his back and he was hugging him.
He was like, oh my god.
Christian. Back.
Shoot.
No.
Stop being so scared.
Under the hoop.
Come on. It's still 6-6. Very uneventful game.
Get that.
Shoot that. That was a fucking shit shot.
Oh.
Yo, I was getting in the way, man.
I'm the referee. I'm trying to ref. I can't fucking shoot.
We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes.
Shoot it. Pass. Shoot.
Robbie, can you guard? Yeah, but then we don't get shots. We're still tired. It's not like
Sean, what are you doing? Get off the court.
guard up.
You're in the shot.
I know.
You're literally Steph Curry right now. Oh, goddamn it. Adon Stamos. Check.
No.
8-6.
And one.
That's a foul.
No, foul. All right. Get to the free throw line. I'll stop clock.
Give me a minute.
All right, we got 3:15 left, and oh yeah, Sean, stroke that thing. We got a game later. We gotta stroke that.
Where's the stop point?
Just shoot it. It's not too far.
Robbie, your phone's at like 20%,
Okay. Cut. Come on, hurry up.
Hurry
and then we can switch it to my phone.
Hurry up!
Shoot it. All right, I'm trying. We don't have that. Watch now. It's not that hard. We gotta work.
Robbie, play D. And with a swing of momentum, foul. They were saying it.
He passed it.
2:45.
Yeah, that was out of Christian.
Just keep getting rebounds. 10-6 with a swing of momentum.
Your stats went up.
Yeah, his stats are going up with rebounds.
Just fucking
Here.
throwing the ball to him. Oh, rebound. Go again.
Christian.
Wow.
And 10-8. Christian is taking this game into his hands because Robbie won't help him.
We're in aggressive.
Want it all, only.
Shoot that.
Oh! Hey! No foul. Yeah, that's a foul.
Back.
I just saw Robbie.
Yippee! Woohoo! Oh.
Christian back. Got him.
God.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it'll be fine.
That's not a reach around.
Not that I saw.
Oh,
Or Sean.
you are on something.
Jacob was choking. I was thinking he was okay. I was looking.
And he still missed. It didn't really add anything.
Dying over this.
Out on Stamos.
Ow!
It hit off of his foot.
Ow!
Save
That's
save
it, that's
save
it,
That's it, that's it. He's
Push
fishing.
it under the hoop.
Doesn't really matter, but
Selling right now.
it's 10 to 8.
Shoot that. Shoot it.
Bockers.
No.
10-8 Bockers right now. No fucking shit. Guard him.
Connor.
Get Stamo. Shoot that.
Connor, shoot one. Shoot one. Connor.
Shoot that. Shoot that.
Shoot
Let it
Shoot
rain.
it. Shoot the ball.
Let it rain. Oh.
He almost made that.
10 to 8. 10 to 8. 10 to 8 Bockers. 10 to 8 Bockers.
What are we doing with Roger?
20 seconds left. 20 seconds left.
Shoot the ball.
17.
Damn.
Connor, take it back. Shoot it. Take it back. Shoot.
9, 8, 7,
No,
6,
get it off the bottom.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought of. I'm not gonna say that.
That's not
Said
a foul.
song. Thought of said song. G block, all we know is red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum, red rum.
That's foul.
G block, all we know is
Alright.
run in the back, it's a May.
What are you doing?
32,
No, you have to.
What's your guys' opinion on the Fortnite season? Because I like it. If Robbie turns comments on comment, what's your opinion on the new Fortnite season?
The minute we get the ball now.
Stroke that thing, cuzzo. You suck. Shoot that shit.
Robbie,
shoot it.
score a ball.
Pops, give it to your brother. Pops, give it to your brother.
Pass.
Sorry, the phone might be dead. Get back. It could die.
Bro, guard him.
Pass out. Oh, double dribble anyway. Hello, I never dribbled.
He never dribbled.
He
I
did.
never dribbled
Go
the ball.
in.
Sam, why didn't you use the backboard?
Shoot that.
Go.
Never mind.
Back. I know your moves are crazy, but come on, Christian. He's double teaming me. Oh, damn, that's on me, Robbie. Ah!
12 to 8.
12 to 8.
Had some decisions to do while the underdog
Got flat.
Bockers.
Give me the ball! I just got
The underdog Bockers.
He's got it!
If I'm not, you're not getting that call unless I get mine.
Wait, in this cycling turn of events, the underdog Bockers might have the best record in the league after this game.
Yeah, this is the number one team going after. Come on, Sam.
Should've shot that.
Oh, bad pass. It's still in.
No backcourt?
No.
No, it didn't go backcourt.
Yeah.
Backcourt is behind the tripod. He didn't get it.
Back. Holy shit. Yes.
Out.
Back.
Mm.
Back.
Oh my God.
Stop driving me.
Yeah, stop hopping. One more.
Yeah.
One more Stavos and you're gonna get that.
Yeah.
Because I haven't been calling fouls, but I should have. So you're either getting like a foul or
Yeah.
Bro, I'm on your team.
I didn't see it.
How are they checking up again?
Yeah, it's not fair.
I just got fouled. It's not shooting foul.
You're not up there.
You don't have all the points?
Pass. He's got two. He's got two.
Oh, okay.
Not really different, but.
Yeah.
Don't pass. Do not pass anytime soon.
Oh, is that two? Run out. Let it go.
Backcourt.
Backcourt.
Give me the ball.
You run after me.
Check up.
Who are you passing to?
Check up. 10,
Yeah.
14.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, do that.
16. So, well, on half-court stuff. But you didn't
Christian,
check
back.
up.
Christian, you're double team.
It's dumb.
You're concentrating right behind.
We didn't check up.
Right here.
Yes, they did.
Right here.
No, we didn't.
Whoa, holy.
Backcourt jump. Okay.
Back on
What are
jump
we
and
down
then
by?
you ripped it away.
A lot. So maybe.
Yeah,
stop
Robbie.
playing, please. Thank you. I thought you were cutting him.
You're like down 10.
The best
Second, we
team,
gotta get
the
rebounds.
quote-unquote best team in the
Not
league,
Here. No, there.
facing some scrutiny today.
Christian back. Throw it out. foul for the amount of time you slapped my damn hand? No? Alright.
Foul!
Oh, foul!
Late foul! No, oh, fine. My bad.
Oh my god!
My bad. It's recheck.
What the heck is that?
Recheck. When I said check, yeah, Hannah got it.
Alright, let me.
Sit up.
Go like. Alright, I have to make sure.
Oh my gosh. Come on, David, right here. You gotta get it out. Back. Can you tell him to stop slapping my damn hand?
Foul!
Stop slapping my hand!
Check.
You what?
Yeah, you're slapping my hand.
I didn't slap
45
my
seconds.
hand. You've been doing it all.
45 seconds.
Stand.
Oh,
That's a foul.
foul. Get it back in.
No, Thomas, you play my hands like bongos. I don't want to hear it.
You're 0 from 3 from the free throw line.
Tell me this.
He wasn't. He's doing
Guys,
it
hurry
mostly.
up, the camera's going.
Trying to
get the ball.
Run.
Foul. You
I've called
do
half.
that.
You never said it wasn't. I don't know why you're I've called 3. 3 in total. 2 on you, 1 on them. Or 2 on them, 1 on you. No return value. I don't want to steer.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
What the hell?
Battle.
Robbie.
Foul.
On me?
No, on them. What are you talking
Good.
about?
Good.
That
Go.
is not a foul, Robbie.
Definition
Both
of
of you went like this.
Okay, stop complaining.
No, I
push him. He's like hitting us with the ball.
Yes, you did. What are you talking about? 10 seconds.
Christian, back.
Shoot it. You're down in time.
You went like this on the pass. You went like
Someone-
this.
You need to be
I
careful.
think this is 5 penalties. Can I shoot now? This is 4. Oh my god.
Stop fouling.
You fell half of them.
No, I didn't.
Drive aggressive now.
Just put your hands up. Don't do
5, 4, 3, 2.
Start.
Because you're on defense. I'm on offense. It's different. There's no such thing as that for offense. Yo, go hard. Harvey. Put it up. You don't see that. Oh, wait, no, I forgot. Bro, can you not just put your hand in my face? Like, damn.
Yeah, that point doesn't count.
Yeah, that doesn't count.
Hit rim.
It's our ball.
Talk about hit
Yeah,
rim.
no, that point doesn't count. No, but no. It's their ball. Why? Yeah.
Is it-
that's
It's
That's
an
the right
illegal
side.
violation. Yeah, you can't do that.
Y'all were up.
Yo, I'm playing another rep. I'm playing also rep. But I'm sick of complaining.
You have to walk in. I am posting him up. Give me the ball. He is posterized right now. Don't shoot the damn ball.
That's too damn bad.
Dang.
14-22 comeback season. Comeback season.
Breaking.
Shut up.
Comeback season. They hit a shot. My God.
Season, baby. They beat that shit. Ugly ass.
Oh, man.
Guard him, please, thank you.
Oh, shit.
Don't get up. Don't
He's
get up.
lit. He's lit.
Don't
He's
get up.
fast. Jump ball. Jump ball. Jump ball. What is this? Jump ball. I think
What the hell?
Explain to me how that
got
got
it
out.
What the fuck
Yeah,
is this
got
shit?
it at half.
Samuel, get up and stop
It's their
missing
ball.
the damn shot.
You got it at halftime.
Explain how to
There's
foul.
been no other.
What the fuck is this
It's
shit?
not a foul. It's jump ball.
Yeah, they're
Leave this 4-year-old here.
There's no foul. It's jump ball.
I know it's not a foul.
So your ball because they got it at half, and there hasn't been any other jump
Get the
balls.
ball like every 5 seconds. Get a ball. How many times you guys get the
It's your ball.
20 left. Y'all do
Last time I got to do nothing happened. I had a 50 and 1.
Shoot that. Shoot it. You have to shoot it.
Shoot the ball.
Shoot the fucking ball.
Oh my god.
You have to take it out. What? Bockers can't shoot it. Do you mind guarding him, please? Robbie, steal it, please.
Dang it.
Here.
Out of bounds.
Christian.
Out of
You
bounds.
touched the block.
Why'd you go to save it? What did you say?
Yeah, you could.
I was going to save it anyway. And you would have got it.
Yeah,
Time.
it's you.
New ball. Time.
I'm not that.
2:40.
You might have with the majority.
You have done and contributed about 4 points.
That's good.
Yeah.
You have gone
Robbie,
over 5
you're
on the line.
I'm
over
kidding.
5 from the, you have not made
You
a
haven't
free
gotten a
throw.
rebound. You haven't gotten a
You
rebound.
shot 5 free throws. You haven't made one.
Come on, just go.
How about your defense? What's
Win the
that
damn
with
game.
defense?
How much time left? How much time left?
Really
The
good.
amount of time you spent in this one area guarding no one is honestly freaking insane.
240. Watch this.
Sean, stop shooting. Oh my god, we're trying to fall.
I got balls in here. Shot like you did. Come on.
Robbie, you're gonna have a lot of unedited footage. I'm just letting this go. All right, start. Check. 240. 240.
care,
Comeback season, Christian. Comeback season.
Hey, Robbie, you
Travel,
were
travel.
literally
Travel.
anywhere.
No, we're changing seconds. Okay.
Oh, my bad. They were changing checkup people.
Guys, it's not a travel.
So Christian, don't get your team angry. Woohoo! Nice steal. No, I'm done. Foul.
Sean, stop shooting the ball.
I didn't say anything. Hey, I thought you were going to say something. I have to know. Can I yell, Robbie? God damn it, Robbie. Christian, I'm sorry. I usually have to
Come on.
We got 225.
Two
I
shots.
forgot this shit.
You got boys.
You're going to have a lot on it.
Why?
Because he jumped over the line. No. It's still like. He jumped over the. He is walking all over the line and both. He missed both. I don't know what you're battling about, and I didn't start it until they got it down. Drop that thing, Chazo! Another miss. Shut up, Jacob. No defense. I know. Pretty interesting, huh, Robbie?
Well, when we get that.
Go, Robbie. Go,
Robbie!
No, it did not. He didn't have that. It's really in. Robbie, run. Oh, my God.
Robbie, your ass is Robbie! Get the rebound!
Dude, I can't do it when Christian's not playing.
I'm sick of it. 16:26. Jack. Yeah, y'all got a minute 35.
How much are they down by?
A decent amount.
Guys, you just need 5 minutes.
Nothing no damn charging. He didn't fall over.
Oh!
They did it to me. At least they missed.
Again, Stamos! Stamos is honestly
Every 2 to 3 percent. Fuck.
You good?
Good.
Yeah.
Right here, Stamos.
No foul. No foul. You foul. It's alright. It's alright.
He just fell. Oh. You good, Christian? Wrong.
He gets 25 foul shots. Check up.
What happened?
I'm kidding,
I
Jack.
scored the point. What happened? No, it was a foul.
Nothing. It wasn't a foul. There was no foul. It's just your ball.
Guys, make sure the camera's still on, guys.
Oh, it is still on. It's still on.
What is it? 26, 28?
16, 20.
We just scored a point.
Yeah, 16, 28.
How many seconds left?
Y'all got a minute left. Just start shooting threes.
Fishing out.
Shoot a three. Shoot it. Robbie, just shoot the ball. You don't need to. Oh, he's so close.
Final. Press it. Press. Come on. Final.
Reaching, boy. 30 seconds.
You have to shoot it.
Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball.
Press.
Shoot it, Simon. Let her in.
I think that was on Alpano's.
Nah, it was
I
Christian.
hit it off his hand. I don't know what you're talking about. Bonos. 20 seconds left. Y'all just got to right in between.
Christian hit it, but like his hand like rolled off.
Yeah. Just got to make it rain for three.
Robbie.
You're down by 12.
Alright, stop it.
Down on down.
What is it now?
15 seconds. Just got to make it rain from three. Robbie, I am uncontested. Please don't.
Hit that.
Give me the ball.
Out of bounds.
Give me the ball. It was out on Bonos.
Hello?
Robbie, get over
Do
here.
you have these Bonos? I'm talking about Stamos. That's my
Yes.
bad. That's my bad. I was
Actually,
talking
fine,
about.
we'll
I
check it out
accidentally
first
said
off.
Bonos. Bonos, wait. Go say it.
We can do whatever we want.
Come on, check out. Come on. Alright, check.
We don't want to
11, 10,
Find the shoot.
9. Lock. Shoot that ball. Shoot the 3, 2, 1. That shot does not count.